to the villages. This was my rest point on the way from Tampa to St. Augustine. In many American movies, they call Florida as a popular place for retirement. And in the Florida, the villages is a super popular place for retired people. This is actually an age-restricted community. The Villages is not very old place, but looks very nice. It was founded in 1960s and was initially just a general real estate. But with popping up retirement facilities popularity, owners changed it to be Retired People's Village. The Villages also claimed the title of the best-selling master planned community of the decade. A very good example of pivoting and elegant business decision. People who live here have an option to visit several supermarkets, nightclub, plenty of golf courses and recreation centers. You can see also plenty of golf cars. I guess that's because they are convenient in a warm climate and don't require a driver license. Most of the buildings look very authentic, though this place is not that old. Very nice and clean place to walk. A lot of palms are planted here. As for me, palms make any place look better. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.